You sound smart, you use good words, you explain things clearly. So, why do people still ignore you? It's not your English, it's something much more subtle. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. I'm Eric, and this is English for the Modern World, where psychology, communication, and clear thinking come together. Section 1: The Real Problem. Most people think communication is about vocabulary, grammar, sounding intelligent. That's not the real game. The real game is attention. If people lose attention, they stop listening, no matter how smart you sound. Section 2: What are you doing wrong? Here's the mistake. You're trying to prove that you're smart. So you explain too much, add extra details, make your sentences longer, and without realizing it, you make it harder to follow you. Section 3: The Shift. Clear communicators do something different. They don't try to sound smart. They try to be simple, direct, easy to follow, because clarity is what keeps attention. Section 4: Real example. Let's compare. Incorrect. What I'm trying to say is that from my perspective, there are multiple factors that could potentially influence the outcome. Correct. There are three things that matter here. Same idea, completely different impact. One loses people, the other pulls them in. Section 5: Modern world angle. In today's world, attention is shorter than ever. People are scrolling, distracted, thinking about the next thing. If your message isn't clear immediately, it's gone. Section 6: Simple rule. If you want people to listen, stop trying to sound smart. Start trying to be clear. Most people don't get ignored because of bad English. They get ignored because their message is too hard to follow. Fix that, and everything else changes.